No.
Okay, so today is dragon boat racing at the lake. So we're going to have a look at the dragon boats and some of the food carts and the stalls and coffees and see what that's all about. Take some pictures. Okay, we'll check in later.
See ya. Hello. See, there's a big shadow. You have to face the other way to get shadow free. You now taking a picture?
No, do you want me to take a picture?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. As you can see, it was an absolutely beautiful day in Forest Lake. The sun was shining, it was really warm. Not sure, I think it was about 24, 25 degrees. These are the dragon boats. I'm not really sure who's racing here. St John's Anglican College did have a boat in there, and our friend Eric was on one of the boats. I think Eric's in one of these boats. I think they went on to win actually. We went to the dragon boat race, but the food was all closing up.
And the camera disappointing, yes. Especially because I'd seen a van, a great big van that said vegan friendly food. So I was looking forward to getting some beautiful vegan street food. And there was nothing, absolutely nothing. So disappointing.
Yes, but we did see a couple of the races, and I think our friend Eric was in the boat that won. I'm not sure. I think he was. I think he was. They were taking photographs of them afterwards, and they were all in black. So, yes, I think so. That's good. So no doubt we'll find out, because Eric posts everything on Facebook, and he'll post it on there. No doubt. So
yes,
we decided,
beautiful day.
So we decided we would walk back home and do what we need to do in home, and then come back for the Jazz on the Lake this afternoon. Because Alison hasn't seen Jazz on the Lake before. Yeah, so we'll check that later. So I thought this was some fallen branches, and then I looked at it and thought, oh no, these have been placed here. And I think it was on the weekend, there was a blanket underneath. So I think some of the local children have made it into some kind of a den. This is on the walkway to the Oval Parkrun.
Is there a Gruffy turkey as well? What? Did you hear that?